Sampai juga. So sekarang saya mau keluar untuk check in place. This is the villa that my family, 3 of us, going to stay tonight, tomorrow. So 3 days tonight. Look at this. Look at this. I just want to move here. Wow, wow. So pretty. Crazy, pretty. Oh my god. I always love Sidemen. Wow. Okay. So this is it. So we're gonna back to family and we're gonna plan what to do, or just no plan, just wanna hanging out here. So pretty. Man, what a lovely morning with this lovely view. So now I'm going to have my morning walk in this beautiful village. Very peaceful walk from here. You can see all around here. Such a peaceful place. In the middle of a rice field. Wow, so happy, it's so nice. This is on our way to go to the waterfall, and then we just like stop to have a look around here and hear the view. Very pretty. Hai Ibu. This is not fair. We need to be careful here, huh?
Yeah.
You okay?
Need to go down there.
Yeah.
Don't go down there. And you're gonna hug it. And you're leaving yourself.
Yeah, we need to be careful. We are in the Jaga Satru waterfall. Can you see that? It's not really like a big waterfall, but like the nature surrounding this place is so pretty. You can see this, and this place is quite hidden, so it's so still like nature. So we are the only visitor here. watching.